Welcome. Today, we're exploring the latest way to send GIFs in Instagram chats using the Instagram app on your PC. If you love adding a little fun and personality to your conversations, this new update makes it easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. This will take you straight to your direct messages, where you'll see all your ongoing chats. Now choose the chat where you want to send a GIF. Just click on the conversation, whether it's with a friend or a group. Once inside the chat, look down at the message box at the bottom of the window. Here, you'll notice a sticker icon, usually right next to where you type your messages. Click on the sticker icon. This opens up a menu with different options. To find GIFs, head over to the GIF section. You'll see a collection of trending GIFs, or you can use the search bar to find something specific. Type in a keyword, like funny, happy, or anything that fits your mood. Once you spot the perfect GIF, simply click on it. The GIF will be sent instantly to your chat, adding a burst of animation and emotion to your conversation. There's no need to press send again. One click is all it takes, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can now share animated GIFs with friends and groups on Instagram, right from your PC. This update brings a whole new layer of expression to your chats, making every conversation more lively and personal. So go ahead, try it out, and let your messages come alive with GIFs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting on Instagram with this fun new feature.